How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to Styrene Relics. I got a few things I want to let you guys know what's going on with me as far as the channel and an update. First off, I want to say thanks very much to Dave over at Woody's Scale Model Garage. He's helped me out getting some 58 T-Bird inner panels, door panels for me. He was adamant trying to find them, and I told him, I said, I'm not in a big hurry to get them. I've parked that kit, and but he was sure about getting them, and by golly, he did. He found them. So I guess I gotta get busy on that kit again, which is all right. So now I'm back to having 3 kits going at the same time instead of just 2, but that's all right. Everything is wrapping up, but well, we'll get back into that. So anyways, if you guys haven't been over to Woody's, you need to get over there. He's got a really cool channel. He's got some really cool builds, and yeah, really cool card too. So there's not anything over there that I don't like. So he's got some really cool stuff. So get over there and subscribe to him if you haven't. Check him out. And he gave me stickers to go with it, which is really cool. Gonna get a place for that. Thanks a lot, Dave. This is huge. That gets me back on this. You need something, you let me know, all right? Because I'll see if I can help you out, and if I can, I will. Absolutely, I will. While we're doing shop cards, anybody out there that wants one of mine, I got a bunch of them left. You're more than welcome to getting one. Just shoot me an email. My address is always in the description, and let me know if you want one. I'll send one out to you as soon as I can. So there's that. What else we got going on? Let's do some Father's Day. I'm a week late on doing that, but these just came in. My daughter had them. She got them at Hobby Lobby and got the ones she ordered. How about that? So, yeah, Hobby Lobby's notorious for sending whatever. I gave her a list of kits I wanted, 4 different ones, and she got them all. So I don't know why she does that, but God bless her anyway. This one's going to be fun. I've already cracked it open because I just couldn't wait. I want to build this one as a tow vehicle, and I love this little pit bike. This is going to be a neat build. I'm really looking forward to it, and after I got it open, it's not a bad kit. It really isn't. It'd make a nice little street rod type of thing. I may even try shortening it up. As a short bed on one. I'm not on this one. I may end up getting yet another one. So, yeah, cool little truck build right there. I ended up getting another 55. I've been after one of these for a little bit. I already have one. It's going to be a gasser, but I wanted one more. I want to build it as a tribute to my brother, my older brother. He's had a 55 red and white one. I'm going to end up building it like his. So I followed this car all over the place many years. This car was in front of mine, so yep, I'm gonna build one of those. got the 69 Camaro. I'm one of those guys that I'm one of those 4 or 5 guys on the planet that that thinks they're okay, and I'm a GM guy, but I had my first car was a 68 with a 67 front clip. So I love first gens, don't get me wrong, but I'd rather have one of those than a 69. I know. It's not right. There's something wrong with me, but that's the way it is. So, but I wanted one. The intent was to possibly do Pro Street with one. I don't know. I opened it up and looked at it, and it looks like a nice kit. So I just might build it, the way it comes. That's a nice kit. So, anyways, we'll see. I haven't done any fitting. I haven't even cracked the bags open. I just wanted to take a look at it. So, there's that. I got one of these. Oh, man, I've been wanting one of these, and every time I go to my Hobby Lobby, they don't have them, and they were completely out of them. My daughter ended up getting one off of, well, let me back up. I bought one at Hobby Lobby because you see the sticker a long time ago, and I was going to build it as a Pro Street, and still may. And I wanted one more for Adam's group build over at SoDak. That'll be coming up, this, December? End of the year, I think it is. And I'm going to do another one of those AFX with it doing a wheelie standard. So, yeah, I had to get one. So she got me one for Father's Day. Appreciate it, kiddo. That's really cool. So, this one's going to be getting all cut up, wheelbase altered and all that. So, really happy with that. Dave over at Woody's, he started a group build, and I've been looking at this thing right here. This is a 59 Buick. I bought it in a bag kit long time ago. And I've been itching lately to do something with it, and I didn't know what. But I think I know now because he's got that group build going on. It's a rock and roll and wheels, and you got to build a car that's in a song. And so and this took me a while to figure this out too. I couldn't remember how it went or nothing about it, but I remember a long time ago I heard a song, and it was called Buick 59. It's a doo-wop song more than a rock and roll song, but I'm pushing the gray area there, but it's a doo-wop. And it was done by the Medallions. And it was kind of cool, and I learned something about it that I didn't know, because when I heard the song, this was early 60s, mid 60s, and I didn't realize that the song was written in 1954 and recorded in 1954. No, wait a minute, Paul. The title is Buick 59. Yeah. Vernon Green, I don't know if he wrote it, but he sang it. And they cut it in September of 54. And he was singing about a futuristic car. And this car had 2 carburetors and a supercharger on the side. That was the thing. And it had overdrive and all kinds of really cool stuff. The reason I don't recall hearing it too much here in Michigan, it was played more out west. San Francisco area and that. So they were quite popular out in there. So anyways, that's what I got rolling with this. I'm going to build this, and this is going to be my my Buick 59 is the name of the song. So my biggest problem is going to be, now I'm going to make it a mild custom because somebody has sanded all the chrome off it, sanded the doors off it. They've sanded the Buick and the emblem off the roof, or off the hood. They've taken all that off. I have no tail lights. But I think what I'll do is I'll probably can these a little bit, French them in, and then I'll put a flat red stock back there. Maybe a bullet in the middle. I'm not sure just yet how I'll do that. But I wish they hadn't sanded the chrome off the fins. The fins are missing the chrome. That would have been really cool to leave, but they didn't. They got a goofy cut right here. Looks like there must have been some kind of a skirt on there, and whoever taken it off must have broke it, I'm thinking. This side here looks okay, but it still has a bunch of the glue boogers on it. So I'm good there because I've got some nice turnpike skirts I'm going to put on it, I think. So, and then the interior is heavily brush painted. It's just really, really heavy. But I've got a good interior. So I'm good there. It's just I got to get the dashboard out of it and the steering wheel. I'm going to need to repair the top of the windshield frame. Looks like they've tried to cut the sun visors out of it. So I got to clean all that up as well. And then it's got some big holes here and a sinkhole here. These were probably the fender mirrors. I think I've got a set of it kicking around somewhere, and I'm going to have to do something with this, I think. So, and then I've got some sinkholes in the back, and those are from the screw bottom. So I got everything here to make it work. I got a enlarged hole. These got the big holes for the big axles, but I can fix that. That's not a big deal. Side pipes, maybe got a set of side pipes kicking around. I'll have to look. I'm pretty sure I do. Rear bumper's got some glue boogers on it, but I've got a Continental kit I can put down there, so that should be no problem there. So, yeah, I haven't built or done anything in 2 weeks, and I'm throwing another group build on top of me. So that's all right. So Woody, there's my entry into rock and rolling wheels, buddy. You guys, well, I got that. That covers everything. So I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate everybody stopping by, taking a look at what I got going on, which hasn't been much, but it's really been a mental thing going on with me. I got a lot going on. You just got a lot going on, and so it's life-changing stuff. So I get in here and sit down, and I just kind of freeze up. So I'll get out of it. I thought I got out of it here a while back, but not quite. But I'll get there. There's too much to do, so it's just we'll be all right. So anyway, I appreciate everybody swinging by. I appreciate everybody, giving me a thumbs up, comment, and all that kind of neat stuff. I try to get out there and check everybody else's channels out, but I haven't done a whole lot lately. So if you want one of my cards, leave me an email. I got plenty of them. I can shoot them out as soon as I can. So, all All right, guys, I do appreciate everybody, and I will talk at you later. Bye.